Yeah, I see it, buddy. You see the trail truck? So what's up, man? It's your boy Crucial RC, y'all. About to replace these parts on here, man. What you know I'm going with? We're going with the X-Ray Aluminum Front Suspension Conversion Set. This comes with all the aluminum parts, so this won't happen again. Comes with the turnbuckle ends, all the small hardware. Comes with all this, you know. So hopefully we won't have this problem again. Like I said, see if we can get up in here. But as you can see, that jump ripped right out. There it is right there. See if I can get that in for you. I can't get it to focus. But anyhow, right there, that metal sleeve, that insert that goes up inside the steering block, that joint broke. That's back when I hit the I think it was the top of the tabletop, and I hit that wood wall on the top of the tabletop. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and put this on here. Like I said, it's part number. And this thing is stupid expensive, as you guys know. X-ray parts, all Huddy aluminum, sorry. It's all Huddy aluminum. You know, top of the line. I don't know why this didn't come with that. I guess they didn't think any newbies would actually need it, but I'm pretty sure all the pros probably replaced that off the break. So let me go ahead and swap this out. I'm pretty sure y'all need to see this. Y'all already seen me build this thing. But, so, here we are now. Got everything disassembled. That's the right side. And we got the left side. The axles are still in, along with the hexes. So, gotta swap those out. And then we get, you know, put this thing back together some more. Alright. So here we are. We're all done now. It went fairly smooth. I ain't gonna say it went super smooth, but it went fairly smooth. Everything looks good now. Like I said, got all the screws in. Had a little bit of issue with one of these little grub screws on the top or bottom. One or two, I can't remember, because it was all off the car, all off the truck. But see what this thing does now. The inner block attached to the steering block with these pins that just drop in from the top and then push in from the bottom. And then it has these grub screws on top and bottom that hold this pin in line. So there's no more screw that threads down in or threads up. It's more, I guess, a racing application where you just loosen these two grub screws up, pull the pins up, and you can pull this whole steering block off, which is cool. Well, one of these grub screws, either, I can't even remember if it was left or the right side, but I tried getting the grub screw started in there and it was cross threaded. So, you know, I had to break out the good tap and die set out for an M3 grub screw and tap it out. Which, I mean, it didn't take that long, you know, it wasn't that bad, but it just threw a little monkey wrench in it. But also, I guess on the aluminum kit, there's a spacer that fits in between the end of the steering block and your hex. So don't forget that. There's a little spacer that fits in between here. That comes in the kit. What else? You had to put new caster end links on here. This is new. And because it actually has a new attachment for the top. The old one was just a screw that went through. This new one has a little ball pivot on it, and that mounts to it. Over here for your steering ends, that's all stays the same. You remember before my spacer, I lost that while I was running it, but now I got that on both sides now. You do have to reuse the locking nut off of the old steering block, so you do have to reuse that. But everything else is all new, really. Like I said, you reuse your hinge pins. That's all reused. But you know, other than that, man, like I said, she went together smooth. Like I said, minus the drill and tap BS. But it's all done now. So this should hold up to me bashing out there on the track. Like I said, it was a pretty penny, but all done now, baby. So I'm happy with it. Let's hope it holds up, because you know I like to take that tabletop kind of tough. I'm starting to get a little more comfortable, I guess, with running it. So I'm taking turns a little bit faster and taking jumps a little bit better, and you know, just I guess, you know, growing with the sport. But all right, that's it. We'll take it back out. Actually, I got to take this and clean all this off, man. Let's see what I got. I got some stuff I'm gonna try. I saw it on another YouTube channel, and hold on, let me grab some of it. So this is the stuff right here. It's Foaming Crystal by Simple Green. I saw it on what is it, Mark Santa Maria YouTube channel. Man, if you don't know him or ain't seen his videos, check his channel out. Like I said, it's Mark Santa Maria. You know, he races I believe in Texas, and has an awesome podcast and channel and all that. So, and he used this on one of his videos. And this thing works pretty good. So I'm gonna try it on the truggy, which is filthy. Try that tonight, and I'll probably just throw that in the wash. But you can see, my body was all beat up. I just shoe glued it up, a little bit of mesh in there, so I can get back out there at the track. Like I said, I got another body for this thing, but I ain't quite ready to put it on just yet. So let me go foam this thing up, get this ready for the track, and I'll holler at y'all next time, baby. All right, man. It's your boy Crucial. I'll see y'all. I'll holler at you. I'm out.